Hey YouTube, what's up? Number 1205 here for Hot Camaro channel. Thanks for joining me on this this short little video. We are going to take a look at another new toy, and I'm going to show you how to put the thing in. Let's get right to it. All right, what do we have today? Aren't you guys starting to love looking at my stove? We have something from Mods4Cars. That's right, folks. This is the SmartTOP module, along with the associated wiring harness that you use to put it in. A USB cable that can be used for updating the firmware, and even a little Velcro adhesive here so that once you get everything in place, you can fix this in position so it'll sit nice and still in the car. You see this is still wrapped. There you go. There's the module, right? This is going to plug in right here. Look at that. I got part of the installation already done. Haven't even gotten to the car. So we're going to unclip a plug from the harness in the car. I'll show you where that is. We're going to pop this in its place, and then we're going to take that plug that we pull out of the controller, and we're going to pop it in here. So basically, we're kind of splicing this in, right? If that's how you want to think about it, and connecting up the module. And again, got this nice little Velcro. We'll go right here on the back side so we can affix this in place and keep it from kind of bopping around in the back of the car while we're driving. Now, there are some different comments out there about this USB cable. You'll notice that on the side of the module itself, that there is a USB port here, and that's where this cable plugs in. Now, the cable is used for firmware updates. At this point, the most recent firmware for this is, I think, like a year old. If there are updates, getting to this module in the car is easy enough that you can put this cable in when you need to. But there are some comments out there, you know, different forums and things like that. People talk about leaving the cable connected so that you have easier access to it. Totally up to you how you want to do it. Personally, I don't see a whole lot of value in having it floating around in the back of the car. So for me, that's not what I'm going to do. So let's go get to it. All right, in order to get the module in, you need to move the seat back out of the way. Now, right in the center of each seat, if you pull forward a little, right, move the padding and the leather and or the cloth or whatever, and just put your finger straight down in here, you'll find that there's a metal clip. Push down. Takes a little bit of force. You got to do one on each side, and the whole seat will pull forward. Now this is the same thing that you have to do if you need to get to the key release for the trunk, which you can see is hidden behind the seat. Once we have this out, it is super simple. We're going to pull this forward. I'm going down in here to get this plug. Press this tab. Oop. Don't take the whole module out. Okay, plug is out. As I've already mentioned, this plug goes in its place. And then this becomes the location where you put the original plug back in. And yes, I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a little awkward. And I had it backwards. And that's it. It is installed. And if your data light comes on, like this one, you are good to go. For now, I am not going to Velcro this. I'm just going to put it up here. And then line these clips up. They go back into the slots. And get the seat belts out of the way. Click, click, and I'm done. That's it. Module's in. What are you still doing here? That's it. Video's over. So what do you think? Pretty simple, right? Straightforward. Doesn't take long. Really easy to do. Join me on the other video to understand how to program it and how to use it. Until then, you know, comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I don't know, right? You know the routine. You know better than I do. Tell me what you've done to your car. Tell me what you want to see me do to my car, within reason. And let's see what we can get done. Until next time, number 1205. Out.